My name's Joel Evans. I'm the owner here at Barry Bangay Motors in Ringwood, Victoria. Barry Bangay Motors started in 1975. I took over the business in 2004 and I've been running it for the last 20 years. I've been a mechanic for 31 years now. I started with the VACC group scheme, which saw me move around to quite a few workshops. Got to see a lot of good things and a lot of things that I thought should be done differently, and hope that one day I could sort of put all that together and have the best of everything. And what we've got now I'm pretty proud of and think I've pieced all that together. I've got some really loyal staff here that have been working with me from the day I took over. I've got a couple of guys here that have been with me for over 20 years now. I make it hopefully a good place to work, and I want to make sure that it's a place that if I was in their position that I'd want to work here too, and that means the world, that they're dedicated to me and help me build the business. So we do all aspects of mechanical repairs and servicing, anything from your normal logbook servicing on new cars through to engine rebuilds, suspension modifications, pretty much a one-stop shop. I really enjoy the challenge of making sure that every customer is happy. That makes it all worthwhile. Quality and reliability means everything to us here. We strive to that every day. Castrol's been part of the business and its operation since its inception in 1975, and certainly since I took over in 2004. Lucky for me, Castrol have been making products for over 100 years, so their brand is well known. So I don't have to do much in terms of selling Castrol products, it sells itself. And having had Castrol part of my automotive life for the whole time, I collect a lot of memorabilia, both here and at home. I've had a lot of companies come over the years to try and drag me away from Castrol, but for me it's not about the cost, it's about the quality and the brand and making sure we're offering the best product to the customer's vehicles. The advice I'd give to any young mechanic thinking about starting up their own business is to make sure they keep a good team around them, both at home, have a good support network, and then build a good team. Have good products. Castrol obviously is the choice for me. Making sure you build a good clientele base. Once you get that trust and the loyalty, the business should thrive from there.